this is the outcome of the Pinot. See how nice it looks like. It goes on top like this, and you have green pepper also. So the Pinot I tried the other day had soup. This is different.
Pinot from Niger.
I'm from Niger.
Pinot.
From Niger.
Pinot. From Niger.
Man, this is amazing. This is delicious. This is way different from Yakpele. Fresh black chance. Quick quiz. Wow. So is it only the pork or you have stew inside?
60 minutes.
But is it only the pork you have, or you have soup, like you have what do you call it, sauces, ingredients?
Ingredients and things.
Spices.
Garlic,
ginger, okay.
More things.
More things are one. So this is how they steam it. And the color, what make the pork red? What do you have to make pork red?
Use pork color.
Pork color, okay. Brown, is it brown?
No, a deep orange.
A deep orange, okay. So they have pork color to make that's why the pork look reddish. But anyway, this is spice seasoning. And this is how they steam the pork.
Red wine.
Red wine?
Yeah.
Okay. Season. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. So they use wine to marinate the pork first before they steam it or they cook it or they boil it. And this is what they use for the mixing of the gari. Wow. So head it also flour and man, look at settings. As you can see, and they use pork to do Pinot. So they also sell fresh pork over here as well.
Yeah.
Pork Water International.
Water pork.
Water Pork International. You know, on a flower, they know a flower road. What do you say? Abalavi? Yeah, visit him. Water Pork Wadi. That's the Pinot.
All the way from Niger to Accra.
No size. Yeah, so this is where they do the Pinot. Man, you see, this is the local standard, local settings with the wheels and everything. Basically, it's Gari kind of, Gari photo kind of, yeah. So we have a Gari over here and so you Nigerian, you know Pinot. Are you away?
No, I'm not an away. I mean, I'm
full Nigerian.
Half part and
half Ghana.
Yeah.
Man, this guy is half Nigerian, half Ghanaian. He knows how to prepare Pinot, whatever local food.
Okay. When it comes to Pinot, we Nigeria we own it.
Nigerians who have Pinot.
You people, you don't do anything here.
Are you sure? Isama, you saying that Pinot is from Nigeria?
Yeah, you people, you don't do anything here.
Man, you see the boiling water. Oh, mamma mia. Wow. Are you saying Pinot is from Nigeria?
You people, you don't do nothing here.
Are you sure?
Yeah. You don't do nothing here.
So this is the boiling water for the pork, and that goes inside the Gari.
Yeah. Do you want it hard or soft?
No, like medium, not hard, not soft.
Normal.
Like normal. So okay, depending on how you want it.
Yeah.
That would okay. The quantity of water you have to throw inside.
You have to stir it so that it will go inside.
Well. Okay.
So when you are eating it, you feel it right.
Wow. So basically, stirring, you add in your sauce from the pot. This is the stock from the pork stock.
Yeah.
And wow, the flavor.
This water, you can use it for tapioca.
Tapioca, okay.
Yeah, you can use it on tapioca or any kind of thing you wish to.
So will you add something to it again, or just like that?
Just like this. What I'll add for you is pepper.
The pepper, okay.
And when you test it.
Amazing. So Pinot goes with pork, and that's what she's doing. Any protein, okay, not just pork, okay, but they use pork for it. Okay. For right chassis. Wow. What do you have inside? A stock in there?
That's the spices.
The spices, okay.
Local spices.
Okay. So what do you have inside? What pepper, onion, garlic?
Yeah, you have everything is local.
Everything's local. But I want to know the ingredients.
Okay, like what?
Pepper. Do you have pepper inside?
Yeah.
Garlic, onion. Oh, okay. Okay, she's not coming to fry it. Crispy and crunchy anyway.
My name is Emmanuel.
The pork post over here.
Water Pork International.
Yeah. Water Pork International, the whole water region.
That's why I give the name of the water as a pork water.
Okay, wow. Wow, amazing. So, how long have you been doing this?
For the past 20
Hey!
7 years ago.
27 years.
I learned from my father.
And this guy is saying that Pinot is from Nigeria.
Yeah.
Ah, so he is from Nigeria.
No, I from my people.
But no, he's saying that Pinot is from Nigeria.
Pinot from Niger.
I'm from Nigeria.
Pinot.
It's from Nigeria.
Pinot. Eba from Niger.
Eba is different.
Yeah, Eba from Niger. Eba Pinot with pork. The whole water region. People was the number 1.
Oh, okay.
That's my hometown.
Oh, okay. Okay, Emma ma. But this is the outcome of the Pinot. See how nice it looks like. It goes on top like this, and you have green pepper also. Wow. So the Pinot I tried the other day had soup. This is different. They use the stock only to make the Gari. So over here they eat without spoon. The one I tried over here has spoon. This is without spoon. So bare hand, you try Pinot. Take then a bit of the ginger, the pepper. So this is pepper, green pepper and ginger. Wow. Okay. This tastes a bit different from the previous one. Yeah. Wow. Your favorite, right? You have been eating since. We have also have VIP going to Aflao. Yeah. And the onion with the green pepper. Wow. Man, it is amazing. It's delicious. This is way different from Akpele. This is different from Akpele. Yeah, Rokodo. So when we're heading to Aflao, stop by and get some Pinot. Avela, what is it called? Avalavi Junction, Pinot joint. Rokodo. Avelavi Junction. So today's program is sponsored by TapTapSend. So TapTapSend is a money transfer app that allows Africans living in Europe and Canada or America to send money back home to loved ones in Africa. So not only Ghanaians can benefit from this app. If you're a Nigerian, if you're from Cote d'Ivoire, Senegal, Kenya, Uganda, Togo, Benin, this app is here for you. It's free and reliable. You don't pay anything, no commission, and the exchange rate is also high. As soon as you send a space of 20 seconds to 1 minute, your money should be in Africa. So use the promo code Sindaco, okay, and get yourself £5 or €5 or $10 in your first transaction when you send money back home to your loved ones. So just go to Apple Store or Google Play and download TapTapSend. It's very simple and easy. You only tap and you send, and your family back home will be happy receiving the money. Alright,